Glow so bright, fresh and clean, beauty by sweet angels back on the scene.